Hello friends, today we are gonna learn how to draw and color a cute cat together. First draw a circle and then another circle. Then draw a kitty's legs and join the second circle. Draw her tail like this. And then two very big ears. Aren't they cute? And of course some accessories. I don't like it. How about we make it even bigger? Wow, that looks so cute. And then we are gonna draw two very big round eyes. You can make them as big as you want because the bigger the cuter. Now draw two circles like this, a bigger one and a smaller one. It's okay if you make a mistake, you can always erase it and correct it. And of course, a cute little nose and whiskers. Oh, and because we love her so much, we are gonna draw a heart in the middle. Now let's color the cat. Black. Fill the eyes with the black color. Oh, and I'm gonna give you a hint. If you make a mistake and if you wanna make the white part even bigger, you can grab a Sharpie, a white Sharpie, and then make the white circle even bigger one. Pink. Wow, isn't she cute? Sky blue. Brown. Oh, before we color the brown, we are gonna make the outline with the black color again. Cats are so cute. I love them so much. Do you have a cat? I have 4 cats. You wanna see? Hold on, let me show you. And there they are. They are Candy, Oreo, Nixie and Rio. They are so cute. I love them so much. And ta-da! That was so much fun.